everyone, I would like to share this video with the basic rule for success of a business, that is only spend money for earn money. In this video I have explained meaning of fund flow statement, objectives of fund flow statement and uses of fund flow statement. Before knowing about fund flow statement, first we should know what is fund. The term fund has been defined in number of ways. In narrow sense, it means cash. Fund flow statement is prepared on the basis of inflow and outflow of cash. In wider sense, it means working capital. Working capital used for meeting day-to-day expenses in the business. We know working capital equal to current asset minus current liability. Moreover, working capital require to analyze the cash position of the company. Preparation of fund flow statement is not mandatory like balance sheet and income statement, even though why the concern prepare fund flow statement. Balance sheet shows assets and liability of the company. Income statement helps to determine the income level of the company. Balance sheet and income statement do not provide enough information to know the fund required for long-term purpose and short-term purpose. Hence, fund flow statement helps to know the company cash position and the reason for changes in the cash position. Let us see about meaning of fund flow statement. Fund flow statement is a statement indicates changes in financial position between two different accounting period. It summarizes the financing and investing activities of the enterprise during an accounting period. It shows the net impact on working capital of the firm. In this slide, I gave simple definition of fund flow statement. The fund flow statement describes the sources from which additional funds were derived and the uses to which these funds were put. I give explanation for this definition in the next slide. Flow of fund can be divided into inflow and outflow. Fund flow statement has two parts, source of fund and applications of fund. Source of fund shows the way of inflow of cash. It reveals how much shares and debentures issued, how much fund raised through long-term or short-term loan, and details about sale of fixed assets. Application of fund shows the ways of outflow of fund. It reveals how much amount used for purchasing assets, redemption of debentures, and repayment of liabilities. Inflow of fund increase the fund position and outflow of fund decrease the fund position. But some transactions do not make any changes in the fund position. For example, conversion of debentures into cash and purchase of fixed asset against issue of shares. Objectives of fund flow statement. First objective is to reveal the correct sources and application of fund. It shows how much amount collected and used for business operation. Second objective is to find the sources, that is from where the funds are generated. It reveals how much total funds were collected by disposing fixed assets, issuing shares and debentures. Third objective is to help the management. It helps the management for taking financial decision and framing policies. Management can know total inflow and outflow through fund flow statement. Hence, they could understand the causes of changes in working capital. Next objective is to know the fund utilization. That is, how much fund has been used for purchasing fixed assets, redemption of debentures, payment of tax and dividend. Budgetary control and capital expenditure control. Through this, organization can compare budgeted expenses and actual expenses. It helps to take action against variation. This action helps to reduce the expenses and improve the efficiency of the organization. The last objective is performance evaluation. Through budgetary control, performance can be easily evaluated. Let us see about importance or uses of fund flow statement. First one is analyze financial statement. Balance sheet and profit and loss account do not reveal the changes in financial position of an enterprise, but fund flow statement shows the changes in financial position. It is a significant tool for analyzing past and planning the future. Moreover, it infers the reason for imbalance in uses of fund. Second one is rational dividend policy. Sometimes firm cannot pay dividend due to inadequate working capital. In such circumstance, fund flow statement shows the working capital position of a firm and help the management to take dividend policy. Next uses is proper allocation of resource. Finance is the blood of the business. Correct financial decision take the firm to the high position. A projected fund flow statement enables the management to take proper decision regarding allocation of limited financial resources. Second uses is guide to future course of action. Through fund flow statement, future need of funds can be easily identified in advance. Accordingly, timely action may be taken to raise fund from various sources. Proper managing of working capital. It helps the management to know whether working capital has been effectively used or not. This helps the management to use the surplus working capital properly and raise additional working capital in case of scarcity. Next use is guide to investors. It helps the investors to know whether the fund have been used properly by the company. The lender can make an idea regarding the credit worthiness of the company and decide whether to lend money to the company or not. Last use is evaluation of performance. Fund flow statement helps to know the financial and operating performance of the company.
Hope you understand this video. Thank you.